Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. There are 4 pillars in spirituality. First one is meditation. Second one is japa. Apart from the meditation, we need to do the japa of Moola mantra, okay, of whatever sadhana you are doing. These 2 are very important. Third one is Swadhyaya. Swadhyaya means self-analysis, being aware of your thoughts, feeling, belief, especially negative thoughts, negative emotions and feeling. First thing is being aware. 50% task is gone. The moment I am aware, I am getting anger. 50% anger energy is shifted. Just awareness, no need to do. Then a sincere effort to shift from your anger consciousness to breathing. Next step. Suddenly, as you progress, you will be surprised. You could be able to control the anger. You could be able to control your anxiety. You could be able to control your depression. You could be able to control your outside negative emotions. You need to aware from morning to evening. How is your behavior? How you reacted to particular person. Otherwise, you don't bring a transformation. Where there is awareness, there is a consciousness, there is a knowledge, and there is a transformation in the perception and in your soul. Of course, meditation is one part where it is working with your karmas and subconscious mind. And when I am aware, I am working with a conscious mind. Can you see that? Conscious mind, subconscious mind, and your deeper karmic body, that I am working, plus I am growing into my soul consciousness. So these 3 are very important. Then fourth one is seva. Seva means it is not that you have to work for some like Moola Varga center. No, wherever you feel passionate to help the humanity. I want to give something to one child for his education, okay. I want to plant one tree, okay. I want to do something to serve today this temple. Wherever there is no expectation or motive or desire. Without desire, I am doing some part, some contribution to the world. Do you remember we have discussed about Lakshmi Tattva? If I want to attract the Lakshmi, the inner and outside energy should be in a balanced way. If I am making money, if that money is not given out in some form, what happens? I cannot able to experience that abundance. So somewhere you have to donate, wherever. Just 1 rupee is also okay, or 1 chapati is also okay. 1 or small grains of rice is also okay. Wherever there should be your contribution. From your money, whatever you have earned, there should be some contribution where you feel good. It's very important. You should not do it because Guruji is telling or somewhere you read the book. It is a universal law where inner energy and outside energy should be balanced. So in India we called Chanchala. Lakshmi means Chanchala. She don't stay in one place. Why she don't stay? Because there is a universal law that inward flow and outside. I am earning so many lakhs of rupees, but if I am not spending a single rupee without expecting, means, because the feeling is very important. It's not money, 10 lakh comes, 10 lakh should go. No. If 1 rupee I am giving out of my love and devotion and with a good intention, means what it is? You are balanced your things. Or any place where you feel connected, where you feel there is an opportunity for me to express my thing to the divine. Wherever it is, you need to involve, do some work. Or just I want to plant a tree today. I want to sit in my home and I invoke Siddha Shakti and send to the earth. I don't want to go to the ashrama. I don't want to go here and there. I don't want. I sit in my home. After meditation, I will bless. That is also seva. That is a more powerful seva than outside seva. Because inner word creates outside word. You are working in your true word. So if I can, start sending healing to the people who are suffering, have an intention. Lord Shiva, Shakti, Sadguru, please channel this healing energy. Who is really needed? Lift them, make them to smile, bring happiness in their life, bring solution into their life. One good intention, and doing it just for 2 minutes also works. And even you don't need to sit and do it. Wherever you're walking, doing, today I'm in a metro, I just invoke and have intention. I ask Siddha Shakti, let this energy go and fill all who are needed. You see that? Or you just send this to all trees, all the water lake, all the creatures, all the animals, all this entire earth dimension. So that you, wherever it is going. Somewhere we have to contribute your seva as a human. We have to give without expecting anything. And you can do it very simply from your home. No need of anything. You don't need to go outside also. If you are a woman, you don't want to do any other things. You have a restriction in your family. You just sit and do it. Or have an intention, finish. It will work out. So we have 4 pillars that we need to manage to grow. Because it's in spirituality, how it is, I grow at a particular level of consciousness. And after that consciousness, I need to give back. Otherwise, I cannot. It is how we have a target in our companies, Until you go to the one position, promotion. Afterwards, there is a big target. Until unless you pull all of them, you do something to the company, you cannot. Same here. This is a divine company where this Siddha company want you to contribute. Somewhere you have to contribute. So these 4 pillars we have to manage. Meditation, dhyana, japa, then swadhyaya, then seva. Shivoham Shiva.